Hello everyone, welcome to PC Training Institute Limited online Artificial Intelligence course. Artificial Intelligence, which is the most important module. I am Dr. Neeta and I have been in Artificial Intelligence space since 7 years. During this session, we will talk about logical inference of artificial intelligence, paradigms of artificial intelligence, today's artificial intelligence, languages used in artificial intelligence, trained data, artificial intelligence ethics, scope of artificial intelligence. First, we understand what is inference. Inference अंतर्ज्ञान. Inference regulations are the templates for producing valid argument. Inference rules are carried out to derive proofs in artificial intelligence, and the evidence is the chain of the realization that results in the favored purpose. Artificial intelligence. We want clever computer system that can create new good judgment from ancient logic or by means of evidence. So generating the conclusions from proof and information is named as inference. Following are some terminologies associated with inference regulation or rules. Implication. It is one of the logical connectives which may be represented as P and Q. It is a Boolean expression. Converse. Converse of implication, which means that the right hand side preposition is going to the left hand side aspect and vice versa. Contrapositive. The negation of implication is termed as contrapositive. Inverse. The negation of implication is known as inverse. It may be represented as not P implies not Q. Here, P is the antecedent and Q is consequent. The antecedent is on the left with the arrow pointing from it. The consequent is on the right with the arrow pointing to it. Types of inference rules in artificial intelligence. Modus ponens rule, modus tollens rule, hypothetical logic, disjunctive logic, addition, simplification, resolution. Modus ponens rule is one of the maximum critical rule of inference, and it states that if P and P implies Q is genuine, then we will infer that Q will be authenticate or true. It may be represented as, if today is Tuesday, then John will go to work. Today is Tuesday, we conclude John will go to work. Hence, we can say that if P implies Q is true and P is true, then Q will be true. The rule states that when P is known to be true, and if a rule states that if P then Q, it is valid to conclude that Q is true. In symbolic logic, modus ponens and modus tollens are two tools used to make conclusions of arguments as well as sets of argument. We will start with an antecedent commonly symbolized as a letter P, which is our if statement. Based on the antecedent, we expect a consequent from it, commonly symbolized as a letter Q, which is our then statement. For this example, if the sky is blue, then it is not raining. is an argument. The sky is blue is our antecedent, while it is not raining is our consequent. We can symbolize this argument as P implies Q, which is read as if P then Q. A not in front a letter means that the statement is false or negated. So, if the statement is not P, that read as the sky is not blue. Now, Moduus ponens with this technique, we start with our argument as a true statement. That is, P implies Q is given. We hold it to be true. Since we know that P implies Q, if P is true, then we know that Q is true also. Now, in Moduus tollens rule, state that if P implies Q is true and not Q is true, then not P will also true. For this example, if the cake is made with sugar, then the cake is sweet. P implies Q. Cake is not sweet, which means that the cake is not made with sugar. Another example for Moduus tollens rule. If Miller was born in Canada, then he is Canadian. Miller is not Canadian, therefore Miller was not born in Canada. We will prove by using this truth table. Both values are true. In negation from only be true. Now, hypothetical rule. Hypothetical rule contrary that if P implies R is true, every time P implies Q is true and Q implies R is real. The form of hypothetical rule is if P then Q, if Q then R. Therefore, if P then R. It may also be written as, we can easily understand P implies Q, Q implies R. Then P implies R. For example, if it rains, we will not have a picnic. If we do not have a picnic, we won't need a picnic basket. Therefore, if it rains, we won't need a picnic basket. Now, we will discuss hypothetical rule with the help of this truth table. If you have my home key, then you can unlock my home. P implies Q. If you can unlock my home, then you can take my book. Q implies R. We conclude, if you have my home key, then you can take my book. P implies R. Another example. If the Miller Canadian win the Stanley Cup, I will owe my dad some money. If I owe my dad some money, I will need to go to the bank. So, if the Miller Canadian win the Stanley Cup, I will need to go to the bank. Now, we will talk about disjunctive rule. Disjunctive rule contrary that if P or Q is proper and not P is real, then Q may be proper. It can be represented as, today is Sunday or Monday, P or Q. Today is not Sunday, not P. We conclude today is Monday. Any one value is true. Disjunctive rule state that if P or Q is true and not P is true, then Q will be true. So, it can be represented as. In addition rule is one of the commonplace inference rule, and it states that if P is actual, then Q or P may be true. Let P be a preposition. He studies very hard is true. Therefore, either he studies very hard or he is very bad student. Here, Q is the preposition. He is very bad student or he is very slow student. Now with the help of this example, any one value is true. Now this time we discuss about simplification rule. Simplification rule, when P and Q is true, we see that P is true. With this premises, we also conclude that Q is true. P or Q is true. If P and Q is a premise, we can use simplification rule to derive P. P and Q, then P and Q, then P again. For this example, we can easily elaborate. इसको इस example से समझते हैं. He studies very hard and he is very best boy in the class. Therefore, he studies very hard. Now, both the values are true. Now, we will discuss resolution rule, contrary that if P or Q and not P and R is real, then Q or R may also be genuine. It may be represented as if something is intelligent, it has common sense. Suppose A does not have common sense. Prove A is not intelligent. And now we understand with this truth table. Resolution rules state that if P or Q and not P and R is true, then R or Q will also be true. Now this time we discuss about artificial paradigms and models. This new technology has been around for 6 decades, starting with rule-based system and currently evolving to machine learning. We are living in the period of fast trade in which artificial intelligence will transfer every element of our lives and the material of our society. It will affect the most human supports from delivery chain to healthcare and education. Today's artificial intelligence. Take a deeper dive into those 19 examples of synthetic intelligence, displaying the breadth of the technology's application throughout a couple of industries areas. These technologies are able to decorate human abilities, inclusive of natural language structures, manufacturing robot, smart assistants, proactive healthcare management, disease mapping, automated financial investing, virtual travel booking agents, social media monitoring, and inter-term chat too. Conventional marketing bot, natural language processing tool, and artificial intelligence languages. Top 5 exceptional programming languages for artificial intelligence field. Python is considered to be in the first place in the list of all artificial intelligence development. Due to the simplicity, the syntax belonging to Python is very simple and can be easily learned. Therefore, many AI algorithms can be easily implemented on it. Using R, we can easily produce well-designed publication quality plot, including mathematical symbols and formulas. Also, with machine learning is based on the idea that there exist some patterns in the data that were identified and used for future prediction. Java can also be considered as a good choice for artificial intelligence development. Artificial intelligence has a lot to do with search algorithm, artificial neural networks, and genetic programming. Now, trained data and deep learning. Machine learning is the art of study of algorithms that learn from examples and experience. Deep learning is a subfield of machine learning. It means the machine uses different layers to learn from the data. The depth of the model is to represent by the number of layers in the models. For instance, Google LeNet model for image recognition counts 22 layers. Deep learning phase is done through a neural networks. A neural network is an architecture where the layers are stacked on top of each other. Now, artificial intelligence ethics. Ethics concern about these advanced focus at one extreme on the use of artificial intelligence in deadly military drones, or on the risk that AI could take down global financial system. Digital information technology has made information readily accessible to practically anywhere, anytime and anyone. Artificial intelligence applications in fields like medical diagnosis, financial services and an algorithm rely on more and more features for improving predictability. In this new world we live in, where complex decision to reflexive choice and reinforced by observed outcomes, where complexity is reduced to simplicity and modularity is reduced to utility. Today, our sense of ethics provides a framework for making decisions. Now, scopes of artificial intelligence. There is a scope in developing the machine in game playing, speech recognition machine, language detection machine, computer vision, export system, robotic and many more. In case if you face any issue or concern regarding course, then you can contact us on 011 2734 7789 and 2734 7796. Wish you a very happy learning with us. We will meet our next coming session. Thank you.